Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to log in on Strava. For that, open up your Strava app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of login. Tap on it. You can log into your account using Facebook, Google or email. For now, I'm going to show you how to log in using email. Firstly, enter your email address that is linked to your account. Now, enter your Strava's password. After you enter your email address and your password, tap on login, which is on top right of your screen. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on save if you want to save password to Google. If not, tap on never. This is how you log in to Strava with email. Now you can track distance and record routes. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.